let's pack a little. Hey, hi, hello, my name is Yan from YansCoffeeJourney. Good day, good evening. It is packing time, as I said in my last vlog. We're going to pack, but as you can see, I have most things packed already. Still a bit of a mess. I kind of packed, but also didn't really pack. I just threw everything in 3 suitcases, and now we're going to actually pack. We have made a little packing list here. As you can see, little. I have also handwritten it, but I can not find my booklet. It is somewhere in this room, but we have no idea where. Let's pack a little, shall we? As you can see, 2 large suitcases and 1 small suitcase, and I will probably have a backpack with me, which will work as my laptop case. It is a lot. I'm not sure if I can handle it, mainly because I'm alone. Once again, sorry for the lighting. It is pretty late at night, but we're still packing. Go over a quick few things that I will be packing with me. Maybe this can inspire you or remind you of some things that you have maybe not thought about, or maybe you have forgotten. I may forget something myself, so let's start with clothing. I will put the little list here as well. For clothing, we have a few t-shirts, jeans, some pants, also like sweatpants and stuff. I brought so many pants with me, the usual socks, bras and underwear, so make sure to pack those as well. I'll also bring some jackets and hoodies with me to keep myself warm, because when I land there it is still February, and as I've consulted my little phone, it will be -7. It is going to be cold, but as I'm going into quarantine, I don't really care. Liquids. If you have traveled before, I know you will know that if you pack things in your carry-on, you will have to put it in a clear bag so they can see what liquids are present in your suitcases or in your backpacks. Yes, I will not take everything out of this bag because I will have a hard time fitting everything in there. But I'm really bad at these talking packing video, but bear with me, because if I take everything out of this bag, it will take me like 5 hours to put everything in again. But we have deodorant, we have some toothpaste, we have shampoo and body wash, a extra hand gel, hand sanitizer I mean, hand cream, lotions, face cream, serums, and of course a toothbrush, which is kind of essential, and also a cleansing foam. It's all travel size that I have gathered from my previous travel experiences. We're going to go on further with tech. It is a pretty huge list, but the main things are laptop and tablet. These 2 are quite essential for me to take notes on, so these are definitely coming with me. Phone, the camera I'm vlogging with right now, little Instax camera, which is this one. And besides these few devices, there's also the chargers, USB hub, 3 hard drives, 2 hard drives and 1 SSD hard drive, all the cables that come with it, and also extra SD cards, some USB sticks to keep myself entertained, extra battery for this camera that I'm filming with, adapters, extra chargers. This is something I literally recommend. You cannot see what it is, but right here it is like a multi-USB hub thing, so I can charge everything at once with this guy. It's such a lifesaver. This is kind of it for the talking bit of the video. I think I will cut a lot of these out as I'm just rambling a lot. You probably skipped a lot as well, but yes, this is the packing bit of the video. I'm not sure which part is going to be next, but I will be taking a PCR test on Sunday around 10 a.m, which is the day before I leave. I leave on Monday at 6 p.m. A week ago, on 28th of January, they actually announced that instead of 72 hours, it reduced to 48 hours the duration that you can get your PCR test. Really stressed because I was actually planning on getting it on a Saturday, but that was not an option anymore. Luckily I did not book my PCR test yet at that moment. So when I heard it, I was like, well, they don't really work on Sunday here in Belgium. So I had such a headache. I searched my area. One of the labs did have slots on Sunday, but when I looked, literally everything was booked for literally 2 weeks. Even like every day was booked. And another lab did not work on Sunday, so I was and the third option for me is, which I'm going to now, is the hospital. However, I don't know if I can film there, so I will see if I have any footage. I am so stressed, you guys. I don't know why. I literally have nothing to do, but still so stressed. Okay. Hey guys, that's me, Jan, again. It is now Sunday, February 6th. I just got my PCR test like half an hour ago. I have to leave tomorrow at 6 p.m, which is on Monday, and the PCR test that you have to take is now within 48 hours instead of 72, which shortens it by a whole day. And now I'm actually waiting to check in with my airline, KLM. I have flown with a KLM before. The reason why I'm flying with them again now is because they have the student discount, which allows me to take 2 big luggages to check in, and I will have a lot to take back with me from Korea, so that's why we are taking KLM. Now we're just waiting to check in. Okay, we are checked in now. We now can print out our boarding documents. The only problem I have is my PCR test, which is coming hopefully tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was a very quick and random video of me just packing and getting my PCR test and checking in, and that is actually it for this video. I think I'll stop here and actually have a decent ending. The coming video will be very interesting as we are actually traveling to South Korea. That was actually it for today's video. We are now going to finish packing, as I just said, and just wait for the results to come in. So for now, subscribe, like, comment, and put on the notification bell to stay up to date whether or not I can leave this country with my PCR results.